Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are jumping into HomeSense for a full holiday Christmas tour. All the new drops this week. There is so much to go over, so many amazing finds. Loving the Ralph Lauren vibes and just the classic Christmas charm this season is bringing. We are diving right in, so let's jump into it. First off, fell in love with that Snowman family and that huge Christmas Santa with the teddy bears. How cute, and for such great prices. I was loving all the large scale sleds as well, the little reindeer with the antlers, and also they had so many cute, beautiful Martha Stewart stockings and tree skirts too. So if you're looking for one or the other, definitely lots of options here at HomeSense. They also had a lot of neutral stockings too. I was loving that faux poinsettia, super realistic. These dogs were so cute, and the Santa with the big sleigh, so many big nutcrackers as well. I was just loving all these large scale pieces to really add to your porch, or you could even bring them inside. Also, if you're looking for pops of pink or more neutral white vibes, they've got you covered as well. So many beautiful villages, and I loved the gingerbread houses. So many cute options here at HomeSense. Loved these candlestick holders. So many great ornaments as well. This little potted tree was also really cute, and I loved some of these faux stems for arrangements. So many great options here at HomeSense today. I was loving all the rich greens, the deep burgundies, and all these little ornaments. The little nutcrackers were so sweet. I loved to layer in reindeers, of course. I loved to add in some villages and gingerbreads. They really had it all here today at HomeSense. And if you're going for that Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas, these throw pillows would be perfect. I loved these lush, furry, and full of texture for your tree skirt. So many great options there, and that snowman was adorable. So many beautiful gold, silver, and white. So if you're going for more of a neutral or glam vibe, they really have a lot of great pieces here at HomeSense. Of course, their wreaths and their garlands are out, all of their little stems and potted plants. So many beautiful options here. I was loving all of the arrangements. Also, HomeSense always has such a great ornament section. I loved some of their pieces here. The Martha Stewart collection is always one of my faves. And of course, creating that holiday feel from the moment you walk in with a nice holiday scent is so essential. I always love going through this aisle. And these holiday berries would be so beautiful in an arrangement to add with an existing or just on their own. I also love checking out the gift wrap aisle. They had so many beautiful boxes as well. And of course, looking at the garlands and all the Christmas bells to really add that charm to your mantle or your stairway is always such a great add. I was loving all of the plaid bedding, so many beautiful options for king size and queen size beds. Also gorgeous wrapping paper. So if you're leaning into that Ralph Lauren vibe this season, they had so much great plaid options for wrapping paper, and then you could really tie in that whole theme. When decorating for the holidays, I always love to find cute, charming touches for the kitchen as well. So I was looking at a lot of those pieces, and of course your tablescape with table runners. They had amazing tablecloths. I noticed some that were Ralph Lauren as well. So if that is your Christmas theme this year, they have got you covered. There was a couple left. This one was so beautiful with the deep green, and of course the beautiful plaid I loved as well. So many great options, and I loved these napkins. And creating a cute little coffee bar station is always a lot of fun for the holidays. I always love a holiday mug to be out. Just adds so much Christmas charm to your kitchen. And if you are hosting this season, it's always fun to check out the holiday plates, all the servingware. I always love checking out, even just if it's a dessert plate, and then you can add that dessert plate on top of an existing plate to really add that holiday charm in. I always love finding a cute little Christmas cookie jar or salt and pepper shakers. These little pieces can really add so much holiday charm. And of course, always checking out the last section, which is the checkout line. They always have amazing finds and deals. I always love seeing their kitchen finds. They always have great candle options and soaps at this point. I picked up two myself. So many great options here. And here's a sneak peek at my HomeSense haul from today. Was so happy with my finds. Hope you enjoyed today's video and got some inspiration for decorating. If you're starting this November 1st like me, then happy decorating. Please like and subscribe for more content. I'll be bringing daily Christmas stuff your way.